Now, Elon Musk says Bitcoin will crush it. Is it time to buy the Bitcoin dip? Here are 5 things that you need to know about Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin may have taken a hard slap in the face with the value tumbling below $17,000, but some of the big names in this space, including private investors, have taken the opportunity to buy the dip. At the time of the video, Bitcoin is treading water at $16,000. Now, will it hold, or will we see Bitcoin price drown even further below $15,000? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. By the way, if you haven't done so already, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with the latest Bitcoin and crypto news, trends and alerts in the industry the moment they happen. So it comes as no surprise that Bitcoin kicked the week off on wobbly ground as we saw its lowest point in around 2 years. Given the implosion and collapse of FTX, the daddy of cryptocurrencies weakened further before holding fire at around the $16,500 mark as it continues to grapple with the fallout and panic liquidations across major exchanges globally. No doubt, this has been a volatile, scary and erratic market with many investors lost and in hope. Countless firms are sounding the alarms for regulators to step things up in the crypto space. The mood out there is full of fear, uncertainty and doubt, and some of the industry's biggest names even warn that things have slipped up and even set Bitcoin back several years as a result of the FTX nightmare. At the same time, for Bitcoin, it's business as usual. It has weathered storms, ban warnings, accusations, regulators, and yet still, the crypto king is still beating strong and remains as robust as ever. We're going to take a look into key patterns and indicators set to influence Bitcoin price action over the coming weeks and months ahead. So crypto braces for a fresh FTX fallout. The Bitcoin price volatility has the recent FTX aftermath to thank, with wild swings kicking investors in the jaw and price points that create nervousness and panic in the price charts. The bearish trends are likely to continue as Bitcoin struggles to find a floor until the dust settles in the markets, especially as firms with exposure to FTX exchange find themselves in choppy waters. Now, there may be repeat performances in the coming days and weeks as the knock-on effects put more and more crypto names out of business. This will have a domino effect of liquidations across exchanges as confidence takes another blow to the head. Exchanges are particularly on the radar now, with Crypto.com, KuCoin, and others becoming the source of suspicion over liquidity. On the day, a spike in withdrawal transactions at Crypto.com and Gate.io led to warnings that it may be the latest exchange to see a bank run as investors seek to take control of their funds. Data leaked shows 1,500 Bitcoin leaving Gate.io on November 13th, with November 14th currently at nearly 800 Bitcoin and rising, demonstrating a ripple effect of panic and uncertainty. So Bitcoin bounces from 15,700 as Musk puts faith in Bitcoin. Against the backdrop of an ongoing uncertainty, making Bitcoin price predictions is no easy task. It may be likely we'll see further capitulation as investors remain unsettled, sending Bitcoin to even lower lows. Further speculation in the markets by analysts and investors alike very openly see Bitcoin reaching levels of around $15,000 as the current price could be tested lower, especially with exchanges taking a beating right now. Others, however, like Elon Musk, who have praised Bitcoin since the get-go, have stated in recent tweets that Bitcoin will make it, but it may be a long winter ahead. Buy the dip fever hits as miner sales slow. While many existing hodlers are attempting to withdraw coins from exchanges or figure out how to nurse losses, not everyone is sitting still. Investors both big and small are sweeping in to buy the dip in a panic of excitement and the fear of missing out. According to on-chain analytics firm Glassnode, wallets containing between 1 and 10 Bitcoin saw a dramatic increase. The trend also appears to be playing out among the largest holders, or the mega whales of Bitcoin. These entities with a wallet balance of 10,000 Bitcoin or more are also growing and now number almost 130, Glassnode shows. The fact of the matter remains, whales are accumulating at a pace never seen before. A group firmly not in accumulation mode at present, meanwhile, is miners. As shown via CryptoQuaint, after a sharp dive in their reserves last week, the BTC hodled by miners is still trending downward at a rapid pace. Given all the activity in the markets, volatility, bearish signals, news reports, pessimism and optimism, crypto fear and greed will still remain as rampant as ever. The fact of the matter remains, it feels like a very long time since we saw Bitcoin take a nosedive to levels like this. Of course, depending on which player in the market you are, this will be an opportunity or a sore time. Let us know your thoughts on Bitcoin and the crypto markets. Are you buying the dip right now, and do you still believe in Bitcoin? Comment below, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.